In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital marketplace website on InMotion Reseller Hosting, taking you from the very first step to a fully operational e-commerce platform. Let's dive right in. Starting by logging into your InMotion Reseller account, begin by navigating to InMotionHosting.com and entering your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access your reseller cPanel, also known as WHM or cPanel. Inside WHM, your next task is to create a new cPanel account specifically for the marketplace site. Head to Account Functions and select Create a New Account. Here, you'll enter your chosen domain name, set up a username, and a secure password. When ready, click Create to launch your new cPanel account. With your cPanel account established, it's time to install WordPress. Start by opening the new cPanel account, then navigate to the Soft Oculus Apps installer and choose WordPress. Click on Install Now and follow the prompts to set your site name, admin user, and password. Now let's move on to installing a marketplace plugin, a crucial element for enabling digital commerce. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and select Add New. Here, you'll search for and choose a plugin best suited for your marketplace needs, such as Docon, WC Vendors, or WCFM Marketplace. Install and activate your chosen plugin to integrate marketplace functionalities. Following your plugin installation, it's essential to set up WooCommerce, which will handle your store's e-commerce needs. Start by installing WooCommerce and running the setup wizard to guide you through adding payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, configuring shipping and taxes, and setting up essential store pages. Your marketplace also requires customization to ensure it suits your brand. Customize marketplace settings by configuring vendor registration procedures, setting commission rates, and designing storefronts using your installed plugin. Enable vendors to sell digital products by allowing the downloadable option within WooCommerce settings. Next, enhance the appearance of your marketplace by choosing a suitable theme. Visit Appearance, select Themes, and choose Add New to find themes like Docon theme or Rehub that are optimized for e-commerce. After selecting your theme, click to install and activate, then proceed to customize the layout and branding to align with your marketplace vision. Security is paramount, so ensure cPanel's SSL TLS status is set for Auto SSL, making sure your site runs securely at https://yourdomain.com. To improve performance and user experience, consider installing caching plugins like Lightspeed Cache or WP Rocket and employ SEO plugins such as Rank Math or Yoast for better search optimization. Finally, to test your setup, create a test vendor account and upload a product. This helps ensure all processes are functioning smoothly, including a checkout and download process. Testing these features solidifies your marketplace's readiness, setting up a seamless experience for both vendors and customers alike.